Testing, testing. 1, 2, 3. Are we live? Looks like we're live. Hello, everybody. For some reason, my chat isn't working. I'm not sure what's wrong with it. So I might have to use something else today. Hey, my music's not working either. Where's my music gone? There we go. Yeah, as always. Technical issues, well, not as always, but technical issues today. New PC, still working on it. Been working all day, not really had any chance to set anything else up. But I thought today, let's do a little bit of setup. I've got this as well. Learn Affinity, Photo Designer on my list here. So I'm going to do a little bit of learning, because otherwise, what's the point of my stream? It's for me to learn, and for anyone else to maybe some of that will rub off. Maybe some of it will inspire. Maybe some of it will bore you to death. Who knows? That's the exciting thing. So a bit of spontaneity today. So let's see. First of all, I'm looking very translucent. I think I was translucent in the last one as well. Now, what did I do to myself? It must be my filter. I must have put on some translucentness so you could see the coding behind me. Look, my head's very big today. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Oh wow, really dark as well. That's looking a little bit more normal. There we go. A little bit translucent, just in case you need to see a button behind me. Maybe I could go a little bit less. There we go. That'll do. Let's see how we look with. Yeah. That'll do. You can see a bit of a break in my head there, but that'll do. So yeah, I thought a couple of things I'd like to do was the screen here. I'm gonna do that, and I need a little break from. I think I've realised that I need to get myself back up to speed, and reconfigure my stream. Just kind of give myself a bit of grounding before I grind on. So hopefully the stream's working. Hopefully you can hear me. I haven't got any chat up. I think. What do I do? You have to install Restream. Right? Restream. Isn't it part of OBS? Deck link. Oh, there's all sorts of stuff I've never seen before. Elgato remote control for OBS Studio. Docs, chat. Hey, there we go. Are we connected? Yes, we are. Testing. 1, 2, 3. Hey, tick and tick. YouTube and Twitch. So, wow, my glasses are filthy. I can hardly see through them. So today we had our last clap outside for the NHS, for the carers, for a patriotic clap for our country. Everyone was clutching their hat to their chest and clapping. It was the only one I've actually done. I got caught out by one by accident, but that was nice. It's actually kind of I felt a bit bad for missing out so many of them. Gave me a little bit of a spirit lift. You can see why everyone did it. Other than obviously showing your support for all those people out there on the front line, of course. So let's get to it. Maestro, can we switch the tunes, please? There we go. So, what are we going to do? I'm going to do this. I've just started on it, actually. It's my one bit has inspired me a little bit, because he's inspired me a lot, to be honest. But he's got his countdown is like one of the games he wrote, which is awesome. Saber Wolf remake in Godot, which I haven't played yet. Where's the link for that? I need to play that one bit Godot. I need to actually download it and have a go. Saber Wolf Godot. Have you finished it yet? Where is it? You trying not to get sued? Something you're doing in your spare time? That's so cool though. I love the countdown. So like, I love this. That's awesome. There's no way I'm making anything anywhere near as good as that. But what I have got, thanks to an early, not completed yet. Okay, cool. You're going to be doing that on stream as well? How many projects can you do at once? One bit. I can see clearly that you're very capable of doing many projects at once. In fact, you could probably knock out a game every day. It's just that you've got to like map stuff out as well. That's the long work, right? It's all the asset creation. It looks like you've done a lot on that already. Did you pull the assets right off and rip them right off the ZX? So I have created some audio files here because, you know, the USP, of course, of my stream is that I'm doing loads of audio stuff, messing around with audio. So I've got a countdown, and the idea is my colleague at work, Neil, will ask me how long until the stream starts. And I will say, about an hour, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 5 minutes, half an hour, etc., depending on how long it'll take before the stream starts. So I can finish it, but I want to make tutorials, so it will take a bit more time to record and edit the videos. Cool. Oh, you're gonna remake it as a tutorial series. That is a shit hot idea. I noticed, like, as soon as you posted that on Twitter, so many people were like excited about it. Cool. You're going to make an impact with that. That'd be great. Have you put any videos up on YouTube yet? I had a look on YouTube the other day, and I typed in 1-bit Godot, and nothing came up. Even my video comes up talking about you. 1-bit Godot to the rescue. Right, okay. So, okie dokie. Man, look, this is how my stream used to look. Damn. It's all gone. So, I've got this one as well. 10 minutes to go. So, it'll only do it every X minutes. Alright, that's it. So, the idea is, my colleague says to me, how long until it starts then? And I say, about 1 hour. And then half an hour later, we'll do a half an hour one. I can always throw some more in, right? 20 minutes, 15 minutes, 10 minutes, 5 minutes. I don't know what happened to 4 minutes. Oh, there it is. 4 minutes to go. Blimey. Ooh, only 3 minutes to go. What happened to 2 minutes? Looks like I might have missed out 2 minutes. I don't see the 2 minute mark. Oh, well, we'll come back to that. Any minute now, and we've already got 10 minutes. Cool. So there we go. So what I want to do is be able to pass in this function, the target time. So I want to pass in like 9 o'clock, and I want it to say how long it is. And actually, this is a little bit inspired by my website, our website. I speak for our company and the people inside it, my lovely colleagues. We've got a dynamic message at the bottom of our site. So based on the time, we say what to do. So if the phone lines are open, we're ready to take your call, or it's getting busy, it's lunchtime, so maybe you should email us instead. And of course, it doesn't ask you to call after closing hours, so it says drop us an email instead, and so on. So I thought doing something a little bit like that with the target time. And then you can just leave it going, and I'll have my AI countdown, and I can have these guys running around bumping into each other. So what I want this function to do is return a now I'm using a sequence thing here, so I want to return 2 strings. So it's going to return an array, and we shall call it, we'll just call it audio array, right? And our audio array is essentially just two bits, 2 elements, 0 and 1. Hey Ender, how we doing? We're going to have a conversation about combat later on, maybe in about 25 minutes, if you're up for it. If you want, you can have a look at the code, have a look at anything you want to look at. Or we can just have a conversation, whatever you fancy. So I don't need this, or maybe I do. No, I don't, because he's always going to ask that. So that's down there already. So okay. Let's get this function working. So is it going to tell me? Let's have a look at time functions here. Godot, time, not timer, time. The time. Yes, it's an os function, isn't it? Sure it is. Get I'm, nope. Get date time. Could work. Get Unix time. Get time zone. Get time. Turns the current time as a dictionary. Hour, minute, second. Ooh, let's see what we get. So do we need to call that as part of like os? I think we do. Not sure how we do that. Is that like that? I think it might be. Alright. Let's just print that out. We'll just comment this out for now. And I'm going to shove it in here. So I've got me just saying, hey, the stream starts at 9 PM. And then so Neil says, so how long till it starts then? This is my colleague at work. And then I've got to create a response, and then we've got to loop this for however long the countdown start takes. So let's hit play. Here's my dude. So I'll have to mess around with this a little bit and just sort of figure it out. But so there's me. No, that's not me. That's Neil with his dog. We've both got dogs, by the way, little dogs. And there's me, the spitting image, right? Except I've got a bit more hair there. Right. Hey, the stream starts at 9 PM BST.
So, how long until it starts then?
Perfect. So I just need... Neil's very Scottish, by the way. Well, actually, he's not that Scottish, but he's really putting it on. So we should get a little output there of the time. Time, 21:09. Perfect. So it's given us our time zone as well. Brilliant. Excellent. So that means we can use this little baby here. We can create a dictionary, store the time in it. Now, anyone know how we access the dictionary value for, is it just like that? Or should I be using a Unix time? I just want a less than. Target time. Yeah. This is a tricky one. I don't want to make it overly complicated. Because I'm always going to turn this on at the right time. I don't need to make it too amazing. if I assume I'm going to turn it on before 9 o'clock, then it's always going to work towards the current hour, right? So I'll count down to an on the hour. So then I can just use hour get time hour, right? Is that how you access a dictionary reference? I'm not sure. Let me just check. Godot, sorry, GD script dictionary. What have we got? Oh, right, okay. Without the string. That's cool. No, wait a minute. No, that's file my color. Yeah, with the string. Super. So that should work. Should give us the. Actually, I don't want the hour, do I? I want the minutes. Okay, so then I can say if the minutes is greater than. Let's say I should probably do a few more recordings, but let's say it's greater than 45. Then audio, right? Equals, and then we need to set these up. So it's greater than 45 minutes. We're going to say it's about an hour. So we pass in the file, and we pass in some text. Let me just remind myself of what my text says. 1 hour. Actually, I don't care. Just say about an hour. And if it's greater than 20 minutes, it's about half an hour. Pass that in. And etc. Go make a cup of coffee, and I'll be back in however long this takes me. So greater than 15. I'm going to go back and fix all these anyway, because I don't think that's quite what I say. So we got 15, 10, 5, 4, 3, 2, and so on. So 10, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, and then we'll just copy these. 15, 10, 5, 4, 3, missing out 2. Comment that out. Oops. Okay. So 15. Any minute now. Any minute now. Apparently I said that. And here I said only 3 minutes to go. 4 minutes. 4 minutes to go. Blimey. Blimey. Blimey spelled wrong. Oops. And then I don't know what I said on these, but I'll do. I'm mixing up tens, fives, and numbers and letters. Right. So, how long to go? Right now, it's 9:15. So the minutes is going to return 15. Which would mean we've got 45 minutes to go, right? So, no, we passed the 45-minute mark. So now it would say about half an hour. It's not perfectly accurate, but we can add more detail in. So, how long to go? Perfect. So, we should be able to just say speak, and then here I can bring in value 0, and that's actually a really bad way of doing it. I should actually store the variable here. Var timer. Should we call it? No, let's not call it timer. Let's call it countdown. So we just store this. Yeah. And otherwise we could hit it on the cusp and end up saying one thing, but the audio is saying something else. We'll face left when we say it, and I think that's, I can't remember quite what I was doing here, but I think it's like a delay. So let's just see if that actually works first of all. Case mismatch. That's fine. Hey, the stream starts at 9 PM BST.
So, how long until it starts then?
Well, no go there. Invalid get index minutes. Okay. Let's have a look at our old output. Nope. So it's just the accent makes me chuckle. I'll have to send it to these guys when they're finished. Okay, so how do we access this? Will that work? Hey, the stream starts at 9 PM BST.
So, how long until it starts then?
Yeah, he doesn't like it. What's that output? Hour. Minute. Goodness sake. Minute. Alright. This could get annoying fast, couldn't it? And again. Hey, the stream starts at 9 PM BST.
So, how long until it starts then?
Oh, only 3 minutes to go. Wow, that's wrong. But still, kind of worked. 3 minutes, eh? Minutes greater than 3. Oh, of course. Oh, for God's sake. We need to do it backwards, don't we? We need to be looking at, if we're going to do it like this, with the simplest way of doing it ever, we need to do our first check up here. Otherwise, it's always going to come up with what would be a more efficient way of doing this check? Enter. Should I use a match? place the items in a dictionary. So yeah, so actually structure all of it in one dictionary, with the time as well as the minutes and the. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. Hey, the stream starts at 9 p.m. BST.
So, how long until it starts then?
Oh, less than 15 minutes. Still wrong, but yeah. Oh, I like that. All right, let me try. Okay, so I don't want to spend too long on this, but what I'll do, I'm not going to redesign it all, but what I will do is I'll do the interval calculation, right? Oh, actually, no, it kind of makes sense to place them in a dictionary as well. All right, let's do them in a dictionary. So, are you saying a single dictionary for the lot? So, call it countdown dictionary. And we have so how would we do this then? We'd have time, and then what have we got at the moment? So let's call it 60 for an hour, right? And then text, which is what we're going to say. That'll be that. Oh, no, it wouldn't. It'd be this one, about an hour. And then audio, which would be this baby down here. Right? And then we build that file up, and then we look at the time, and we look at the time for the next one, and we pick the closest one, right? Let's do it. I think that's tons better. Yeah, absolutely. All right. It's so much neater as well, isn't it? And then we could just add new values in as we go. So, all right. So 45. So I've got half an hour. Oops. I'll do about half an hour. Let's just make this look a little neater. There we go. All right, 45, 30 minutes, 20 minutes, 10 minutes. Oops. I hate this new keyboard. Bit of a pain. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. And now let's just do a bit more copying and pasting. So this is any minute now. Any minute now. Only 3 minutes to go. That's that. Missing. I'll have to put that in. 3 minutes to go. 3 minutes to go. 4 minutes to go. Blimey. Blimey. I don't suppose I could get you guys to do some pixel art of your faces, could I? And I can introduce you guys as characters that give the time as well. Give me some pixel art heads, yeah? Can you? That'd be awesome. If I just send you a pixel art head, can you just update it to be your own face? I know one bit will be great at that. He'll have it nailed in seconds. Except that They might not be around to do it, but if you want to be in it, please, I'd love to have you in it. Let me send you heads, and who would be the best starting point? I'll give you this head. Wait, have you got much hair, Ender Rifter? What is the closest to your face? So I've got this one. I've got oops, I've got me, Neil, and Cheesy Stuart. These are the guys at work. Oh, what? Even as a pixel art? Alright, okay. Alright. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Faceless. Yeah, oh, okay. Cool, 1 bit. Nice. Alright, awesome. Let me just email you right away. Are you sure, Ender? Okay then. Alright. You'll have to make yourself some sort of baddie in the game. Alright. Your head. Give it to me. There you go. Where did I put it? Open path. Ding, ding. I'll just give you them all. You can pick whichever one is going to suit you. There you go. Nice. 1 bit. I'll have to get some lines from you as well. Right, okay, so okay, I like this method. This is cool, and I like it. I've done 5 minutes. Let's ditch all that. 10 minutes. Boom. 10 minutes. GG. Uh, 15 minutes. Oh, I didn't know I had 15. 15 minutes. 15 minutes OGG. And half an hour. Oh, so I don't have that one. So about half an hour. That's that. Nope. That's that. Okay, cool. All right, so specifically what I say at the moment is something like less than an hour. Something like that. Less than an hour. Because it's a question I'm replying to, right? Less than half an hour. Less than 15 minutes. Less than 10 minutes. Less than 5 minutes. And then I think the rest are like a bit more specific. And 2 I'm missing, so. Okay, cool. All right, Ender. So I do that. I'm not going to actually play anything yet. I'll just. Oh, wait a minute. What's wrong with my dictionary here? Expected end of, oh, I'm missing my equals. Okay. Cool. Okay. So that should be 30, right? Rather than 45. I should probably do a 45 if I don't already. All right. Okay. So I've got the minutes. So I'm going to work out. I'm going to step through my my times in the dictionary. So for time as is. Oh my god! I always forget. Countdown dictionary time. Is that right? In. Right. Godot's very helpful, isn't it? In terms of it's like telling you what to do next. Okay, so I'm stepping through all the elements of time. So I am going to pass in minutes and compare it to the current time, right? Welcome back. So I'm stepping through your time list here, and I'm seeing which one's closest. At the moment, though, it's always going to be the one that is less than, right? Because I'm not spitting out, I'm spitting out actual audio file here. So it's always got to be something like if time is less than, oh wait, I've got to compare to the next element, right? So if I'm looking at, so let's say I'm looking at 30. I want to compare it to minutes. And I want to make sure that it is this is a lot like the pathfinding logic. All right, then I can reference I. Okay, sure. Yep. Yep, totally. Okay. Well, can you do that? Dot size. Is that? This is so. You're giving me some C# here, a bit of non-GD script. I don't know either, man. I've not actually done a for loop like that in GD script yet. Let's have a look. Four, 4 C4. Oh look, that's cool. For I in range. For I in dict. Oh, that's cool. Look at that. Look at that. Oh yeah, that's no use, is it? No, it is useful. That's fine, right? Yeah. So all I'm doing is like literally saying that. It's beautiful. Because now I've got I as my index, right? Let's see what other options there are. Oh, you're right. Okay. Alright, well, I'll have to do var index equals 0. Yeah. So let's just undo all that. Put my loop back. Create an index 0, and then in here I will plus equal 1 at the end. Yeah? Is that alright? For I in range 0 length of dictionary. All right. Okay. Put I in range. Oh, I see. Right. Okay. It's just a number, right? Okay. I'm with you. So, size. Okay. Cool. Also works. Get rid of that. Expected index 4. Okay, yeah, cool. Right, make sure that len exists, size in the case of GD script. Otherwise, get the number of items in your dictionary. Yeah, that's fine. So, okay, so look, we can just do a printout here, right? We can print out I, and then dash, and then countdown dictionary. Can we do that? I, and then I'm going to spit out the time. Will that work? Unexpected end of statement var. What's that? Let's try it. Pythonic, eh? Hey, the stream starts at 9 PM BST.
So.
Yeah. Right, so didn't get anything there. Oh, didn't even let it run fast enough. Right, okay. Try again. Hey, the stream starts at 9 PM BST.
So, how long until it starts then?
Right, and actually just got a few more from my man here on on WhatsApp. Let's have a listen. Wait, which microphone is this? Is it that one? No, is it this one? No. Wow. Which mic am I using? Oh my goodness. I'm using the worst possible mic. Properties. How do you set what? Ah, there we go.
Hey, that's got to be a bit better, right? Yeah, I've got this mic here. Woohoo! I've got my webcam mic 1, webcam mic 2, webcam mic 3, headphone mic 1. I think that's it. But yeah, right. So I've got this.
So, how long until it starts then?
Nice, and this one.
So, how long until it starts then?
Nice, and
So, how long until it starts then?
brilliant. Right, I've got 3 different versions. Just because it might be a bit repetitive if he keeps asking it the same way. Hey D, how's it going? Oh, I'm just creating a countdown timer for the stream. So I've got my little dudes just checking the time. Oh, it's crashed. Right, here we go. Yeah, there we go. Nice. Oh, thanks for joining us, D. It's good to see you. Don't look too closely at my code. Well, Ender and 1-bit help me learn. I'm not great at this by any means. Thanks, man. What was the error there? Oh, it's missing the audio. Yeah, so it won't. So it's not going to do anything. I can run around here. And there's my little dude. Hey, you know my dogs will follow around and sit and everything. Go on, sit, dog, sit. No, it's not going to sit.
Hey, the stream starts at 9 PM BST.
So, how long until it starts then?
And that's where we haven't got a value yet. So the key's being read, 0 to 8. The time's being read, so now we've just got to pull out. Yeah. When you say getting out of sync, are you watching YouTube and Twitch at the same time? Or is it that my mouth is not syncing with my sound? Are you streaming tonight, D? What time is it for you? Must be like, what's it, 9:41 here, so... Oh, thanks, man. Yeah, it's got to be like, let me guess, 10, 11 a.m. for you? Something like that. I'm guessing you're in the States. Okay. And guys, if you haven't watched D's channel, head onto YouTube and look at Deranged Turtle Games. In fact, you know what we should do? Are you on Twitch? I think you said you were, right? 4:41. Oh, right.
I'm in the garages.
PM.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
The garages.
You're in EDT, right? Okay. Not very close then, right? Jeez. D. Quigs. Are you actually streaming? Oh yeah, cool. Excellent. All right. Oh, wait a minute. I'm using the wrong. There we go. Using my work account.
Red.
I just gotta get.
D Quigs. Oh, you got an extra follow there. Right. Boom. And there we go. And let me just hit you up on here. Yeah, I remember you saying it's a pretty cool setup. I need to look into that. Restream's alright, but yeah. You do just chatting. You see, that's really like, I don't know if you guys have watched D, but he's got a really cool style in that, and it's just his natural style, surely. But he's just chats and codes, but he's a good chatter. I cannot do that stuff. Like, you will like tell stories, and you just like, in fact, you don't get much coding done when you start talking. But no, I like that style, and actually going for the just chatting and making it about the socialization rather than just the code. The code is just like the background layer to the connection, right? So, and that's a good approach. Right, so where's my stream? That's probably a better way of finding it there, right? There we go. Let's add you in here. So Deranged Turtle Games. I don't know what time I should put you down for here, but what do you think? Old times. 2D platform adventure game? Adventure shooter? What would you call your game? With 2D platform? I think I should put some links in here as well, right? Let's get... Oh, yeah, okay. Is that a deliberate spelling error there? So it just sounds like it's like French. Platformer. Okay, Metroidvania platformer. I'll put the word awesome at the front. There you go. Alright. Cool. Alright. There you go. Our list grows. We now have, and then there were 4. Do we Do we know any more? If we do, let us know. Let's keep building the list up. So, right, back to this. Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's a good point. I think I've got. You know, you can set up like a network as well, right? So we could actually create like a Godot streaming network. Let's see now. Don't want to give away any keys or anything. Where is it? Recommendations, right? No. Oh. Channels and videos. Auto host, right? Yeah, we should look into it. That'd be good. I'm not sure. I've not really looked into it much. My bro. This is my bro. I don't know if he's streaming right now.
I tried hard. I tried really, really hard.
I think he might be like a. I think he's a partner now. I should know his stream name. Fat Bob Records. There we go. Ah, he hasn't streamed for 13 days. But yeah, he plays poker, right? So he's like going for the poker streaming. But he's got a network, and I can't see any of it when he's not live. But you can see he's got the adverts, all the they cross play, they raid each other, and so on. So, yep, same here. And to be honest, I started off on YouTube, so I miss out on all this stuff. Now and again, I get some alert on Twitch saying like, "Oh wow, you had like 5 people on your stream." I'm like, "Oh, all right." Where do we put it? Is it community? No. Content? Oh, look at this. Roles manager. Hey. Oh. Guys, I'll have to make you all moderators. As long as you make me a moderator as well. What else have we got? Streaming tools. Where is it, D? Where do we set this stuff? I can't remember. Say hi to the neighbors. Oh, that's a camp. I haven't watched these yet. I'll have to have a look at some point. Account settings. It's got to be here. Permissions, profile, settings, video. Recently streamed, social links. Auto hosting. Auto host list. Here we go. Hey! There we go. What was it again? Let me scroll up. QD Quibs. Quigs. Boom. There you go. Hey, hey! I'm going to put my bro to the bottom. And I'll do this in order of my favorite. There we go. No offense, bro, but you just not as relevant to my stream. Right. Okay, cool. There we go. Oh yeah, look, team members. Right? So, team channels. Include team channels in your host list. Yeah, well, hey, I'm up for doing that, guys. Oh, community setup. I have no idea about that either. I think that's just for people managing your stream. For a while, I moderated my bro's stream while he was growing. So I'd go in there and throw money at him and just, you know, what's it called? The little crystal things that you buy on Twitch. I don't know, man. You're probably best to come up with something like that. I am totally up for that, though. That sounds good. Team name. Bits. You know, I've got another company. I don't know why I used Airlock software. Probably because I used to have a software with that name. But I've got 8-Bit Agency, So I was just like, you know what? It would be cool to like make this kind of like a games development brand, or have like a sideline and support it or sponsor it, because I'd happily put money into something like this through the company, of course. So although it doesn't really connect quite with exactly what the company does, but 8-bit agency, right? It's a cool name for a team of Godot developers. Anyway, D, if you want to feature as a face on my countdown here, it would be good to have you. I can send you over a little pixel art head, and then I'll just create a character for you. Yeah? 8BA. Yeah, there's a bit of a delay on the old channel. It's too late, man. It's already a development agency for. We've already got the YouTube channel and everything. Look at this. 8-bit agency. I think pretty sure it's in there. It's probably got stupid videos from me. There it is. Yeah, see? We're already. This is our office, by the way. So.
And they're like, stop me in the street, and they're like, oh, you're friends with blah blah blah, and I'm like, how do you know that? Yeah. I'm a person too.
Oh, boom. Anyway, yeah. So we've got like a channel where we interview people, and but we haven't done it for a while. We're going to start again soon, but yeah. Anyway, 8-bit agency. Maybe we could be like a different number, like 6-bit or 16-bit, 64-bit, 128-bit agency. Right, focus. I've got to get this done. Unlike yourself, D, I restrict myself to like an hour, maybe 2 if I'm lucky's development. I can't do any more. Otherwise, I'll wake up tomorrow and I just will not be able to. Well, I won't be able to wake up. I won't be able to function. I won't be able to work. Coming up to 10 o'clock here to do all the chores and stuff. It's a hard life. So, Ender, you're saying. So here we go. So we're counting through this dictionary. Okay. So you're saying compare the current time to the next time and see which one's closer, right? So if minutes, so let me just work this out here, man. So we've got minutes. So we want to make sure that our minutes is. Wait, so if we're saying less than an hour, it's always got to be. It's always got to be greater than the next time. So if minutes, so we don't even need that first comparison. If minutes is greater than the countdown dictionary, I +1, right? Is that what you're suggesting? Ender, you still there? It's not going to work though, because it's going to get to the end here and go. It's going to get stuck. Okay, so we've got to make sure that if I +1 is less than that, minutes is greater than countdown dictionary, current index, minutes. Is it minutes? No, it's time. Then print if greater than or equal to the length of the dictionary, then var equals 0. Man, you've confused me there, man. If what is greater than or equal to the length of the dictionary, and what's var? Oh, you give me an alternative to this. Oh, I see. Right. Okay. I'm confused, like. You know what I'm really bad at is like understanding what the hell anyone's talking about when they give me code on the chat. I really struggle. I don't know what it is, but I think I'd much rather see. Oh, right, okay. I'd much rather like. Oh, that's probably half the problem, to be honest. The delay. Yeah, I'd much rather get some screen sharing on the go and go. Okay, take over here. Just sit down in my seat here. And plus, like, my brain works completely different. Like, most coders are extremely efficient. My brain is not working efficiently. I need to build up to that, I think. I got to, first of all, get used to GD script, and second of all, get used to architecture. And then a whole lot of trial and error and working out the best way to do things in GD script and in the engine. And I'll get there. But at the moment, whew, I feel like Mr. Slow. I don't know who that is. Some superhero. It's very good at being slow. So we found our time. Let's say boom. We'll just print that out. In fact, we'll print out text. Yep. Okay. See what happens. Ooh. Man, this keyboard's so messed up. It is the G915, but you know what I hate? It's got this at the end. What the hell is that? Why do I want to have like these extra keys on the... Oh, it's the other way, right? Is it that side? So yeah, I got these extra G keys. So I want to hit the control button, right? And I end up hitting G5 because I'm expecting the key on the far bottom left corner to be control. So I'm like G5C, whatever the hell that does, to copy. G5V and so on. I'm just G5ing everything at the moment. I think it's a really bad idea from Logitech. So I get used to using this keyboard and then go back to using like a normal keyboard at work. And I'm going to be like, where the hell's the the G5 key? I'll be pressing Windows and C and Windows V. God knows what that'll do. All right, let's try this out. Here we go.
Hey, the stream starts at 9 PM BST.
So, how long until it starts then?
Crash. Oh, it didn't crash. It's always good. It didn't print anything out. That's interesting. What happened there then? So, created a countdown dictionary, stepped through it, and it didn't print a thing out. I'll just debug it. I'm sure it's really obvious. Man, you know what I've been putting off? So at the moment, I just got a new CPU, D, and I got the new, stupidly, because I think I should have gone for AMD, but I got the new 10900K, and it said, you know, it supports old school fans. So I was like, oh, cool. So I've got my 6-year-old fan in there, nice air cooler, and I was hitting like 90, 100 degrees TJ Maxx on my CPU and going, oh man, that's not good. So I underclocked it, turned off speed step and boost and all that stuff, and my CPU is like still faster than what I had. But so I bought this baby, super chilled. It's some kind of water cooling thing. I've never had anything like this before. But man, I've just been putting off putting it in my computer because I'm just terrified I'm gonna cover it in water. I don't know. I have no idea what I'm doing with the thing. I don't even know how to screw it on whether I've got enough space on my PC. It's just a bit of a tangent there, making me think about hardware. Man, I don't know about you guys, but I tell you, it's like super hot right now. In the UK, it is absolutely roasting. I've got the window wide open and I am sweltering. Okay, so let's run that. Debug the hell out of it. Here we go.
Hey, the stream starts at 9 PM BST.
So, how long until it starts then?
I don't know, I haven't even opened it yet. Maybe I should do it live on stream, destroying my computer session. See what happens. It's probably not a good idea. I was going to stream like putting it together. I thought, you know what? 10900K with a stock cooler live stream might be quite interesting. But honestly, I spent hours and hours trying to work out how to put it in, and new like I have no idea about new motherboards. They've got like you like the motherboard itself has got like an M2 SSD case on it, and then you take the case off, and then there's a heat sink on it. You take the heat sink off, and there it is. You can put it in. I'm creating a countdown timer, Gonzalo. Just a little countdown timer for my channel. Yeah, just gonna have me and a few other streamers, maybe Ender if I can get him convinced to do it, wandering around on my stream for an hour before the stream starts, just you know, throwing mud at each other. I don't know what they'll do, to be honest. I'll maybe have something more interesting than just counting down. Alright, okay, so I'm here. I'm paused. Let's step it. Oh, of course. What an idiot. Oh no, that's right. Okay, so I'm at 0 here, stepping in. Minutes is 2. Why is minutes 2? It's I must have been talking for 2 minutes before I hit continue, right? Because it's 10:04 right now for me. So okay, so it's 4 essentially. So if minutes is greater than time, which it is, because time is going to be 60 the first time we go through this loop. Then no. So what's countdown dictionary time then? Maybe I'm not referencing it right. Oh yeah. It's GD script. This is the Godot engine, man. You not seen it? It's awesome. Alright, let me just run that again. So that's my little dude. And you know, so this whole idea I had here was that other streamers could create games, and each one.
Hey, the stream starts at 9 PM BST.
Stop it! So every arcade machine would be a game that a different streamer or someone could create, right? And so here's a game. So what you do is you earn credits in the main game. You use those credits to play the arcade machines, right? So we'll play this game here. Press start. Okay. I don't know what my start button is, right? So in this game, it's just a classic lander game, right? So I'm just landing. This is just me playing with the physics. And so I thought, right, okay, so I'll have like a few levels. You pick something up, and you'd need something from this arcade, so you had to collect something in this arcade machine in order to complete the second arcade game, and so on. So it's like a arcade puzzle game. I'm going to crash there, and I crashed. There's no way out. So in that sense, you could create, so if you look down here, anyone can create a game. The games are self-contained, and you'd have each game would have a loading screen, a cost to it, and credits, and so on. So anyone could just grab the repository, create an arcade machine, shove it in the game, and off you go. And you could create like this little, I don't know, arcade of GD script games. Still might work, I don't know. Alright.
Hey, the stream starts at 9 PM BST.
So, how long until it starts then?
Well, it should be less than an hour, should be the answer. So I'm going to step through it. Can I get this here? So countdown dictionary. Race size 9. I is 0. So the answer should be time. So minutes is 7. So if 7 is greater than 60, no, it's not going to work. So it's going to skip, and it's not looping. Why is it not looping? Oh, it is looping. It's just following. Oh, right. It's just my indents, right? So if I do that a few times. So minutes is currently 8. Ah, right, okay. I think so what I need to do is I need to do a calculation here. Minutes left equals 60 minus minutes. I need to know how many minutes I've got actually left until the stream starts, not what time it is now, to do this comparison. So that should be a bit more accurate, I think.
Hey, the stream starts at 9 PM BST.
So, how long until it starts then?
So, how long till it starts? Right, we should already have the answer. There we go. No, let's print that out. That'll be the next one, right? Debugger. Yep, there we go. Less than half an hour, which is wrong, right? It's less than an hour, but it's because our times are a bit weird. What's minutes left at the moment? 51. So it's saying oh, okay, right. So I need to do a comparison to the current time. Traced ender, what have you done? Set me down a path of getting stuck on an if statement. Christ. Why am I finding this so difficult? Minutes left. So right now, I have got 50 minutes left until the countdown, till the hour starts. So it will be less than an hour. So it should pick that one. So minutes left is 50, which is less than 60. So we need some sort of and here. Okay, yeah. And stick that in a bracket. So we want to say on the other side, minutes left is greater than less than or equal to. Is that what you were talking about? The ranged. Less than or equal to countdown dictionary plus 1. I think that's right. So we are at 48 minutes left. 48 minutes is less than 60. And 48 minutes is greater than or equal to 30. I don't want it equals to. So greater than 30. Therefore, right. That's got to be it, right? Let's try it out. Boom. Here we go.
Hey, the stream starts at 9 PM BST.
So, how long until it starts then?
And we found our time, less than an hour. Perfect. Okay, so we want to return an audio array at this point. So we're going to set our audio array. Audio array equals 2 values. It's going to be the dictionary, countdown dictionary text. And countdown dictionary audio. And that should be it. Boom. Alright. We're good to go. Let's try that out.
Hey, the stream starts at 9 PM BST.
So, how long until it starts then?
Ah! What? Invalid get index text. Oh. What? Oh, I've not got my eye in there. There we go. Let's get rid of the printout as well. And that. Sweet. It's not going to be perfect yet. It should be pretty close.
Hey, the stream starts at 9 PM BST.
So, how long until it starts then?
Less than an hour.
It's pretty bad. It's pretty bad, but it'll do. Right. Not much of a countdown. If that only happens once every like half an hour, but we can add more to it. Right. So, so in my countdown script here, I need my guys just to carry on. I need them just to wait until the next time they need to talk. So I need to actually put a loop in here where I yield and the guys walk around and shit. So I've got a few other things I can do. I can face right and face left and stuff. Yeah, so I should. How do they? What's the default positions? Right. What else have I got? Oh, I've got move as well. I got camera activation. Don't think I need any of that stuff. Okay, so how long till it starts then? Okay, right. So it'll do it once at the beginning. Then I want to yield and just have them doing stuff until the next one. Wow. Didn't expect to take an entire hour on this. So, let's see now. Whoops. Ah. That was a little bit overkill. But I meant to Just skip it. There we go. So let's see. That happens. Then, okay, so we're going to do something similar here, I suppose. Oh, maybe actually we want them to do it every few minutes, right? So we'll have a let's just do some sudo here. We want this loop to continue until countdown is complete. Then exit cutscene. So when it reaches the end of this cutscene, it will automatically exit anyway. The end of my sequence, I have end cutscene, so I just need to throw that in there. Okay, and so continue until the cat. So what am I gonna do? So I want to kind of like we want to trigger every maybe do we need to trigger every minute? Yeah, probably do. How annoying would that be? Pretty annoying. But it's a countdown, right? So it needs to be a little bit annoying. Okay, so I'll trigger it every minute for now. So so we're going to do a similar sort of thing here. Okay. So I don't want to tie into the process. I want to yield until the next minute is due. Can I do that? Yield to top of minute. GD script timer. Counts down a specified interval and emits a signal on reaching 0. So if we check what the time is in seconds, so we get seconds, we can yield and then actually if our countdown passes a third value back, so let's also pass back our time. So right. So now if we're getting the time back as this countdown in this loop, we can say something like iteration equals countdown element 2. So we know how many iterations we've got. Oh sure. There you go. Alright, okay, so now when our iteration equals 1, so our loop can be while iteration not equal to 1, right? What's that? Expected colon. Oh, sure. Cool. Alright, so this will keep looping, and then once the final say is had, it will quit. Now we want to delay at the end of each one. We want to yield for the remaining seconds for that minute. So we're going to do this on the minute, and therefore once it's finished it'll work out how many seconds left till the next minute and start the next. So we want to do a timer yield. Yield timer Godot. There we go. That one. Get tree, create timer in seconds, and then wait for the timeout. So our timeout is going to be however many seconds are left. I think that's going to work great. Unless seconds equals 0. That wouldn't be good. So yeah, I don't know how you avoid that. We'll just try and see what happens first. Okay. So I'm going to do a little print out here. Print. We're going to have to put the iteration here because it's not set yet, right? I'll print the iteration out. And then we really want to be doing this again, right? Every time. Oops. All right. Okay. Shove a load of hashes in there. Hashes in there, right? So that's our little block that we can work on within the loop. So off she goes.
The stream starts at 9 PM BST.
So, how long until it starts then?
Less than an hour.
Which is true. Invalid. It's second, isn't it? Not seconds. I think. Second. Let's try that again.
Hey, the stream starts at 9 PM BST.
So, how long until it starts then?
Less than an hour. Hey, the stream starts at 9 PM BST.
So, how long until it starts then?
Less than an hour.
Now it should stop. Right, so now it's delaying. And it's going to delay. Hopefully, up until the point.
Hey,
oh.
The stream starts at 9 PM BST.
So, how long until it starts then?
Less than an hour.
Jeez, that could be so annoying. Maybe maybe the voices aren't needed. I kind of like the idea of having the voices in, because it's supposed to be like, you know, a channel focused on audio. Plus, I was going to have like the awful music going, right? What if my count? Look, but he was going to hit 20 seconds, right?
Hey,
nope.
The stream starts at 9 PM BST.
So, how long until it starts then?
Less than an hour.
It wouldn't be too annoying, but we've got to make it. It's got to happen less. Okay, so I think what I need to do here is print out seconds and see what the hell's going on. what I could do, I could do a yield here and wait until the top of the minute. So how do I get the top of the minute? Well, if that gives me the number of seconds through the minute, then I want to do 60 minus seconds, right? And that should give me, that should leave us going into this loop at 0, 0. We should be able to see that down here.
Hey, the stream starts at 9 PM BST.
So, how long until it starts then?
Less than an hour.
Okay, now it should wait for 20 seconds. Come on. Dun, 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 dun. 2, 1, booyah.
Hey, the stream starts at 9 PM BST.
So, how long until it starts then?
Less than an hour. Hey, the stream starts at
No.
9 PM.
Okay, so that works. So my yield here needs to be the same thing, right? Because it's basically, it's getting to the bottom of the stream, like 5 seconds have passed, and so it's saying create another timer for 5 seconds. So it's always got to be a number of seconds until the end of the minute. So that will successfully do every minute. And what we might want to do is have some kind of delay. So now, good old Neil has sent me a few more. I need to get some from 1bit. I wonder if he sent me an email. Man, I've got so many unread emails here badly. Nope, just checking. Nothing yet. No 1bit, 8-bit pixel head. That's cool. So I'm just looking at the stream. Right, okay, so that's working nicely. So I've got these samples here on WhatsApp, so I just need to forward them to myself, because if you ever use WhatsApp for audio, you will know that it uses the Opus format, unsupported by pretty much every audio program in the world. But it's no problem, because we can convert an Opus to an OGG nice and easy. Let's tune in. Just sending them, emailing them all to myself. Last one. Okay, there we go. Alright, nice. So let's go into my email and do a little refresh. Here we go. So number 1, boom. Number 2, boom. Number 3, boom. So now I've got 3 variations of Neil saying when's the bloody stream going to start, right? So let's just convert these into OGGs. So we're just going to use a Opus to OGG converter, like this one. It's very nice. Choose a file, and we're going to do 4, 5, and 6. Convert them all to OGG. Go. Well, we've got 5 and 4. So now I just need to do 6. Oh, that was easy. Look at that. Beautiful. 6. Thank you very much. There we go. And we're going to move those OGG files into our project. Actually, you know what? Probably a good idea to throw them into Audacity first. Give them a little top and tail. Yep. Definitely need top and tail in. Because remember our audio engine uses the length of the audio as the delay. All the timing and everything is based on these solo that. So this one is...
So, how long until it starts then?
Nice, so we export that as OGG. And now what have we got here? So how long will it starts then? 2.
So, how long until it starts then?
3. And 4. Super. Right. Okay. So we've now got those files. So here we ask Neil to how long it's going to take to start. We're now going to create a quick random function. How long, Neil? Open brackets, and it's going to do the same thing. It's going to return an audio array. We'll just create another dictionary like this with our 4. Let's call it Neil dictionary. With our 4 representations, this time without a time. And they're all the same. So how long until it starts then? Although I might need a few more O's on the so. Right. And then where are we? Sounds, voice. Oh, it's just the same as all the rest, right? I think. 2, 3, 4, 1. Alright, cool. So now we just need to do a little round. Honestly, randomize really. Honestly, as soon as I start using the randomize function, I start getting hot under the collar. Man, I love randomizations. Just anything to do with probability is fun in games. Okay, so we're just going to do a rand I mod size of the Neil dictionary, right? +1? No, it's just that. So we're pulling back the audio array. So random index, random equals that, and so our audio array equals Neil dictionary. Oops. Neil dictionary, random index, and then text. It's an array, so that's the first value. The second value is the same, but it is audio. And we don't care about the third, right? And that's it. Okay, so that's going to bring us back the audio array for Neil. So it's how long Neil. And then we can just shove that right into here. Boom. So now we should get random how longs. Let's try that out. Ah, whoops. Started playing a computer game.
Hey, the stream starts at 9 p.m. BST.
So, how long until it starts then?
Less than half an hour.
Alright. That's working. When's the next one? Oh man. A full minute. I'll get myself comfy. Jeez. How long we got? 30 seconds. Jeez. I should have some paint drying in the background here. That'd be cool. Yeah. Gotta have some paint drying. I need to actually create the graphics for behind. I gotta have the stream and all that stuff, and then just have the characters walking around. Maybe put the character names against them or something. Come on then. Here we go. Ready. Steady.
Hey, the stream starts at 9 p.m. BST.
Oh, crashed. Didn't like it. Invalid call to function speak in kinematic body 2D. Expected 2 arguments. Oh, can you not do it like that? Because I did return an array. Oh. Hey, Angry Nasus. Cool. Thanks, man. I'll try not to worry too much. How you doing today? What are you up to? Are you doing some Godot coding at all? If not, why not? So, okay, so we actually need to reference element 1 and element 2 of our array and pass them in separately. Because they're parameters, we're not passing in an array here. So, I'll just Neil speak. We'll just pass in Neil speak. Neil speak. How long Neil? And then Neil speak. Oh, is it the paint dry? Are you talking about the paint dry, Angry? You know what? It's the delay is pretty bad. Like it's it's getting me confused. Right now, I can probably get rid of this first one, right? I don't need this. Yeah, I'll get rid of that. And also, it's annoying me that Neil's facing the wrong way. Ah, Neil. Oops. Neil faced left. There we go. Right. Ah. Oh, cool. Oh, well, that man. Dude.
Hey, the stream starts at 9 p.m.
Not a guru by any means. 46
How long
episodes.
until it starts then?
Less than half an hour.
Sweet. Okay, that worked. How long to go for the next one? Exactly a minute. So, now I'm not a guru. If you want to watch a guru, go watch Deranged Turtle Games. Go watch One Bit Godot. Probably go watch Ender Rifter soon. It'll be a long time before I'm a guru of GDScript. But what I am is learning it bit by bit. So if you look at my first episode, I'm like literally trying to work out what x plus y equals. Here it comes. 10 seconds. Now it's 22:40 now, so it's 20 minutes left. And we haven't got one for 20 minutes, so it's still going to be less than half an hour, right? 3, 2, 1, now. What?
Hey, the stream starts at 9 p.m.
That's weird.
BST.
So, how long until it starts then?
Less than half an hour.
That was a different one. That's great. Okay, awesome. So now Neil here is going to have multiple responses. Man, I was late to the audio pie. I had to go. There's an episode, man, where I worked on creating a spectral analyzer and doing the sound on it. Oh, cool. Oh, thanks, D. Sure, man. Yeah, I'll watch your game trailer. Let's see it. Absolutely, dude. Yeah, cool. Go on then. Paste us a link. Let's have a look.
Hey, the stream starts at 9 p.m. BST.
So, how long until it starts then?
Less than half an hour.
Cool. Excellent. I can't wait to just leave this going so I can just like bugger off and not have to like check everything while it's my stream's about to start. In fact, maybe I could just leave that going, D, for like 23 hours a day. Watch my video game trailer, please. I made it. We go. Wow, cool. Well, give us a link. Please give us a link. And we'll have a look. Man, the trailer sounds good. You made a trailer with Godot, or you made a game with Godot and then made a trailer for it? Either way, let's see it. Give us a link. Let's have a look. I'm excited to see it. Right. So now I need to give the guys something to do. I want to have them walking around a little bit. Anything's a bit more interesting than just standing there with their heads bobbing up and down. Also,
Hey, the stream starts at 9 p.m. BST.
So, how long until it starts then?
Less than half an hour.
less than half an hour. It is in YouTube. We need a link though, man. We need a link. Okay. Well, so copy the so go to YouTube and click the share button and copy the link. I'm going to show you what I mean here, because if this is the first time with YouTube, then fair enough, right? So we go to YouTube and here's a video, right? Blackmailed.
Writing's not that.
Right? So if I want to share this link, I can just copy this here, right? And I can paste it in there. So there's a video link that I have pasted for you. So can you paste the video link back to me, Anime Power, and we'll have a look. Cool.
Hey, the stream starts at 9 p.m. BST.
So, how long until it starts then?
Less than half an hour.
Less than half an hour. Now, the next one is going to hit it's going to hit the 15-minute mark, right? Oh, is it going to hit it? It should just hit it. Come on. Come on. 20 seconds. 10 more seconds. Sorry, Angry Nasus. 2 more seconds. And here we go. Oh, is it crashed? Where's it gone? There it is. Here it comes. Boom. Boom.
Hey, the stream starts at 9 p.m.
15
BST.
minutes. Please, 15 minutes.
So, how long until it starts then?
Oh, less than 15 minutes.
Right, I gotta put the in. Less than 50 minutes. There we go. Excellent. Cool. Alright. Seems strange that you got targeted by the strike after having a very heated discussion involving the lead of Godot on Twitter. What? Who? Anime Power. I'm not seeing any link. There's nothing showing up. Maybe it's getting cut out. Could anyone else see the link? Let me go have a look on YouTube. Let's have a look here. YouTube. And airlock software. Oh, there it is. Okay. YouTube. No, I don't see it either. There's no link, man. If it's like a wait a minute. Let's just find you, right? Alright. Do a search for you. Here we go. 60 minutes ago. Here we go. Alright. Are you sure this is your video? Is this right? Lampy game. Okay. Lampy game. This one? Oh yeah. Alright, cool. Alright, nice. Alright, here we go, guys. Can you turn down the lights, please? Turn down your lights. I'm going to turn down... I won't turn down my lights. Let's get the audio racked right up. Are we ready? Get yourself comfy. Here we go. Nice. Cool. Ah. That's awesome. What a great idea. That's really cool. A friend of mine was playing with the Godot lighting stuff like this, but this guy was just like walking around with a little lantern. Lampy! That's a cool name. I'm planning to push my game on Epic Game Store. Cool. That's awesome, man. Yeah, really cool. Very good. I'm going to give that a thumbs up. Absolutely. That's awesome. Have you put it up on GD's? Yeah, on Reddit. Reddit Godot, man. Make sure it's posted up there. Yeah, totally. It's really cool, man. Very cool. Yeah. Oh, look at that. That's cool. I didn't do my daily Reddit roundup, but I'll do that tomorrow. Thanos dissolving glow affecting Godot. Oh, cool. Nice. What? Brilliant. I like the way the screen shakes when he falls onto the floor here. That's a nice bit of game juice, isn't it? Awesome. Now, it's really cool, Anime Power. Nice one, man. Yeah, I'd love to, honestly, if we can have a game of it on the stream, that would be cool as well. So, if it's available, bring it on. What's this? Invalid int and in operators. What happened there? Oh, cool. Give us a link, yeah. Resource found res. Oh, I'm missing a file here. Must be is it the 10-minute file? Debugger. Man, I don't know why. Maybe there's some sort of protection to stop links being pasted in, apart from me. What could you do? Any ideas, D? Angry? How could we get a link from Anime Power without him, if he's unable to paste it in the chat? I'll tell you what to do is if you just send an email to this email address. Ah, okay. Let's have a look. YouTube Live. How do I do that? I have never used YouTube Live before. YouTube Studio. Aha! Go live? Or is that just going to mess things up? Live control room. I think that's that, right? Go to your video list, click live, okay. Videos. Oops. Videos. Nope. Videos. Live. Yep. Here it is. Oh, okay, cool. Well, that'll do. But right, okay. Let's go back and have a look. So, Lampy game. Oops, lane carpet. Lampy game. All right. Lampy game trailer. Ah, on itch.io. It's fabulous. All right, cool. Sure, I'll give you $1. There you go. I'm seeing as I'm buying it. I'll give you what? No, what? No, I'll give you $5. I'll give you $5 for it. There you go. Okay. Okay. All right. Who am I sending my payment to? itch.io. Okay, cool. All right. I got it. Oh, my virus killer says, so watch out. This will take over your stream. Okay, here we go, Lampy. All right. Now, I've got a game controller, but I'm going to play it with keyboard for now. Let's give it a shot. Ah, that's okay. Man. You got a completed game there. That's, you know, you got to promote this sort of thing. Right, okay, here we go. Cool, look, I get the trailer and the game. Ooh. Alright, here we go. That's so cool. Can we get the eyes following my mouse as well? I want Lampy blinking and following the eyes. Hit C to not die. Okay. Oh, here we go. Oh, we're off. Alright. Oh, that's text on... That's cool, I like that. Ooh. Right, I'm not sure what the C does yet, but I'm going to go this way. Oops, I got squished. Going this way. Oh! Right, I see, we have to stay on top of these. Oh, we got some sort of double jump here. Aha! Oh! Oh my god. This is like tense. 1 out of 60 minutes. I like the way it's got like use your interface stuff on the map. It's very cool, this. It's hard. 5 levels, man. Alright, okay. Hey! Ah. Oh man, I don't want to go down. Oh no! Oh phew, I get to start here again. Oh, bloody hell. There we go. Alright. I think I definitely want to go that way. That looks like a trap. This is really cool. I'm looking forward to Lampy 2 already. What's this say? It's saying, don't go this way? Oh no! It takes me back. Right. Oh, God. Okay. Oof. Can't cheat there. Can't cheat. Oh, man. I like your double jump. It feels quite nice and responsive. Alright, I won't make that mistake again. Okay. Oh! Oh! Alright, going this way. Slipping over the top. What's this? Oh! Oh! Vector 1:0. Nice. Alright, okay. This is cool, man. I am really impressed. Wait, did you say the Did you say your brother has made this? Ooh. Oh, man. Oh, no. In the second, yes, in this way. Ah, okay. Right, okay, this is a map. It's saying, go that way. Is it saying go this way? Wait a minute. It's saying fall back down and go left. Is that right? It's saying go this way. See you, D. Take it easy, man. I will do, mate. Cool. Oh. Ooh. Okay. I feel like I'm exhausting my options here. Oh. I'm getting good at not dying, though. So, that is a fake door. I know that much. I ain't going through it. Vector 1, 0. So, vector 1, 0 is X, which is... Oh, I see it! Oh, man! Alright. Ah! Oh, God damn. Oh no! Jeez. Yes! Go on. Ah! Oh my God, right, okay. Here we go. Oh jeez. It's not getting easier, is it? Oh, what's this say? Locked is the right path. Key is under box. Dude, this is so cool. Man. Hit C when enemy get a touch you. Right, okay. Yeah. Turn the lampy off. Turn my lampy off. You should have him like have his eyes closed when he turns it off as well, like he's like there's a box in the level, okay, cool. Ooh, oops. Ah. It's really simple, man. I love the fact that this is like, he's like stuck to some really serious constraints here. Doesn't need to be too much. Ah. It's simple, and then added some cool little aspects that give it narrative, and it's got style as well. Oh, what's that say? Oh, another vector. Do I need the box? No! It really is the Dark Souls platform. Ah! Why did I do it? But now I know where to go. Right. Dark solar powers. Oh dear. Okay, wait a minute. Wait, it's this way, right? Up and over and oh yeah. Right, okay, so don't go top left again. Find the box. Seek the box. Ooh. Oh, there's a door there. Wait, it's another trap. I've got to get the box. I must get the box. There it is! Ah! Oh no! God! Jeez. Right, okay. Man. And here I was thinking I'd get my countdown timer working today. Ooh. Oh, cool. It's got physics on the box as well. Take that. No, whoops. Oh no, idiot. Couldn't help play with the box. Wait, what's that? Oh yeah. Whoa! Oh man. Whoa. 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 Oh no! God sake. God. Man, this is really tense, like, honestly, I might end up... Yeah, no, I get that. Is it an enemy? I thought it was just like a box. I don't feel like it's an enemy. I feel like it's just a moving box. You need the key, yeah, I know. I gotta get back to the key. Ah, God! I'm getting worse. It's cool music as well. I love indie games. Oh, God's sake. There it is. Oh, yeah. Okay, now what? I feel like I've got the box, but I'm terrified now that I'm gonna... There is a box in the level, yep. Ooh. Got the key. Do I just go through the door with it then? If I go through the key... If I go through that now with the key... No! 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 What are you doing to me? What are you doing to me? I can't cope with it. Right, okay. That's it. One more chance. I'm gonna give it one more go. Right. Okay, God, no. Locked gate opens when you get the key. What locked gate? I didn't see a locked gate. Hey, you're giving me spoilers here. Don't give me spoilers. Oops. Oh. Oh dear. You really gotta get the timing right on these bits. Oh man. It's a tricky level, this one. I can't believe you put me back to level 1 if you do that. I'm gutted. Whoa. Whoa. Alright, here we go. Getting there. Yes! Okay. Alright, here we go. Back with the program. Up to the locked box. Hit C to not die by blocks. Yep. I get it. I would say if the blocks... Oops! I would say if the blocks push you to your death rather than instantly kill you, it may be more fun. Yeah, I think, yeah, the blocks is a little bit frustrating, but actually when you play it, it's like half the skill. It's like... It might be a little bit too easy if you did that. Oof. Maybe it could be a little bit more forgiving by, like, having Lampy's, like, lamp becoming a little bit less, like, the game a friend was working on, he had a lamp, and he had monsters that were scared of the light, and they'd follow you around. And so what you had to do is keep the lamp on. Inspired by a classic. Right, where is the gate? Locked is the right path. Key is under box. Yep. Okay. Locked is the right path. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, that would be pretty cool. Maybe he'd have little... I love the idea though, Lampy is a cool name. Cool name. Ah, my name's Lampy. See, that's not a gate, is it? Alright. Can you tell me... I need a spoiler now. Where is... In the right. Oh, okay. Oh, no! Okay, here we go again. Did I do it? What level am I on? 3, right? Ooh. Oh, Jesus. Right gate. The right. Oh, jeez. Oh, man. The right. Yeah. I'm with you. The right. Like this way. Over here. Oh, you mean in there? Oh. Ah! Oh, man, it's the right path is under the box. Of course. Oh, Jesus. Okay, I'm getting up there. Dude, this is like it's like some Harry Potter stuff going on here. It's like oh no! Oh, please. Oh no. Oh no! Oh my God. You see, when you tell me it like that, suddenly the clue makes sense. Oh, Jesus. Oh, I don't like going this way. It's too hard going this way. Oh, yes. Ah. Oh, get in. Oh, dude. I am sweating. This is intense. Right, okay. Let's push the camera back a little bit. Oh, my God. Oh, there we go. Oh, I'm going sideways. Alright, here we go. Oh! Gee, what? Sun. Uo itil. No. Licity. No. Sweet. It's some kind of color-based puzzle. Okay, cool. Alright, I'm going down. Oh man, I'm gonna be dreaming about this stuff tonight. You realize that I think I'm getting disturbed. I'll be worried about poor little Lampy. Well, like falling can be the S. Ooh. Okay. No! Ooh. What? Did I make it? Read them in the colors order. Edges. Ooh. Ah, I see. Right. Okay. Oh my God. I see. Oh my God. The skills required here. Gee, what? Oh my God. Oh my Jesus Christ. Oh my God. What? Jump. I'm jumping. Oh no. Oh, it's like... This reminds me of like Counter-Strike Surf. Oof. Hey, now that edge wasn't very safe. So with that edge... Whoop. Okay, hold on. I got this. Let's jump on there. Jump on here. Jump over there. Jump here. Jump over there. Double jump. Oh, okay. Jump here. Jump over there. Jump up again. Pivot off that. Okay, jump off there. Jump over there. Jump, double, jump, double. Ooh, I gotta get to that one up there. Right, okay, so 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2. Stay high. Oh. Oh my god. Oh, jeez. Yes. Got it! God! Yeah, what happened to 5 levels, anime? What happened to 9 levels? I mean 5. I'm on like 7, right? Okay, here we go. Ooh, wow, okay, alright. What's going on here? Edges are safe, okay. Ooh. This is awesome, by the way. This is cool. Ooh. Oh, I see. Alright. Playing hard to get. No, not the edge. Oh, I can go up there, right? Ooh, no, that's a trap. 1, 2. 1. Oh, no. Ooh, you little... 1, 2. 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up. You. Get. Go on. Oh, no. Yes. Oh, no. God, I just can't quite get that edge bit. Oh my god, this is tricky as hell. Right, 2, 3, 1, 2. Oh my god. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. It's just like, I shouldn't be using those, right? Because they're coming down. If I use them, it's not going to help. It's not going to help me. Oh, that was so close. They are a distraction. They are a distraction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, no, God. I feel like... It's just got joypad controls, like analog controls. Because that would make it a little bit easier to get those jumps. Oh, I missed it. Alright, I can go up there, first of all. Perfect. 1, 2. 1, 2. Oh, I just can't quite get that. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Jeez. 1, 2. 1, 2. Hold. 1, 2. Oh. What? Yeah. No. 2. 1, 2, 3. That's it. Come on. Oh my god. Ah. Jesus. Oh, right. I've almost got this. It's coming. Yes. Oof. Really, honestly, the design on this is just absolutely perfect. It just sets like you can see it coming, and you've got an idea what to do, and then as soon as you work that bit out, you realise there's another bit that's gonna get you as well. How on earth did you get the design so perfect? Oh. 1, 2. Oh no, my god, it's so infuriating. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's just there. If I can just get that jump. What have you done to me, Anime Power? I'm supposed to be coding Godot. Well, I like this. This is a nice break. It's called Extracurricular Activities Day. Ooh. Ooh. Oh! What? What? No! What? Oh my god. What? Why? Why would you put that there? Tell me, Anime. Why would you do it? Oh. Now I know it's there. Oh! It's really hard to get that. guys. Just a little tap. Little tap. 1, 2, 3, 1. Maybe there's another solution for that bit. Not that. 1, 2. Jeez. Go the other way. Yes. Ah, right. Okay. Oh, my hands are sweating. All right. Okay. So I drop down here, but this time I've got an extra jump. No! What? I'm having one more bash at it. It's really late here, so you better have a save option here. Right, here we go. Oh. Right, okay, yeah, I decided to go. I'm gonna go left. Oh, I got it almost. I've got a better strategy. Oh no, God! I really don't want to have to do it all the way from the beginning. Come on. I can't do this again. Don't make me do this again. 1, 2. 1, 2. Up and over. Up onto that one. Up onto this one. Double click. Yes. Yeah. Okay. That's it. I can't do any more. I've had enough. I will come back to this though. Oh yes, I will. I might have to have a Lampy session at some point. Hey, are you going to do any more on it? Can we get Lampy 1.01? I want to see Lampy blinking while I'm moving him around. And also I'll set up my joypad so I've got a bit more control. I'm hoping you've got analog control for this guy. Good job, man. Good job. Well, we'll go in there to itch.io and I shall give it a little review. That's really cool. Lampy. Oh, I don't have an account. I'll have to set one up. You know, I've not even thought about using itch.io. I never really... I mean, I've played a few games on it, but I never thought of actually uploading a game to it. So, that's so cool. Thanks for introducing me to Lampy anime. That is awesome. Love it. So, at this point, guys, I'm going to have to say good night. It is bedtime for me. It is 23 minutes past 11. I've got to go and bring the washing in, stroke the dog, just generally look after the world I'm living in. Thanks again to everyone for coming and joining it. Big shout out to Anime Power, Angry Nasus, 1-Bit Godot, and of course Deranged Games, and Ender, if you're still about. So much for talking about combat, right? Jeez, I got a bit carried away. Yeah, you take it easy as well, Angry Nasus. God bless you too. Good night, guys. Take it easy, and I'll be back tomorrow. When will I be back tomorrow? Hold on. When will I be back tomorrow? Just make sure it's working okay. I've still got an error there. I don't know what that is. What is that dog doing? I gotta have the dog lick itself or something. Three, 2, 1.
Hey, the stream starts at 9 PM BST.
9 PM BST, guys. That is 2 hours ago. 2.5 hours ago now. So, hope you're on tomorrow. And if you aren't, Have a great... Oh my god, is it Friday tomorrow? Yes, it's Friday. Have a great Friday. And see you later.